So yeah. So I decided I got time. Respond to a comment on my YouTube channel, Mr. Poppin' with Poppy. I got your comment. I appreciate you commenting too, bro, and asking and participating. Do I have a plan for that? A play for that for a 55-year-old man trying to get in the game and get things done by 2030? So by 2033, you can travel abroad. Of course I do. Of course I do, my guy. And I also wanted to make another video, giving all, because a lot of people have responded to the academy, and I wanted to make a video for my mature, established subscribers and viewers that watch my content and things like that. The 4-year deal, that is for the younger men and women. There is actually another way to get into the game as well too, for the well-established, well-mature, for the men and women that want to that want to pivot into a different career. Gotta keep your head on the swivel in Memphis. So yeah, be on the lookout for that video. But to answer his question, I do know ways to get in the industry. Even though I know the ways to get into the industry, it might not be for everybody. And y'all, I appreciate y'all being patient with me and getting this information out little by little with the time that I have. I really appreciate y'all commenting and letting me know. And I appreciate everybody that has sought my consultation and sought my ideas, my perception on things, my point of view, my wisdom. I greatly appreciate y'all, man. I really, really appreciate y'all. But I just want to give a big shout out to all the older gentlemen and ladies that's coming into the industry. My 55-year-old future sailors, man. I see y'all commenting. Y'all want to know, are y'all too old? No, you ain't too old, man. Come on in this industry and get some of that mayan, man. Get some of that mayan funyan. I believe some maturity is necessary and needed for the industry, man. Y'all can definitely add some value to the industry. So with that said, man, y'all be on the lookout. I'm gonna make a video. I got 2 videos I want y'all to be on the lookout for. I got one. It's gonna be an introduction to one of my new stories. It's gonna be a good story. It's gonna be heartbreak at sea. What is it like when a man or a woman goes through heartbreak, breakup, or divorce at sea? I got a few other projects coming y'all way. This stuff is gonna be on the Patreon, especially the heartbreak. What happens to heartbreak at sea? Okay, I'm gonna throw the Patreon up there, man. And again, man, appreciate everybody coming through. Mr. Poppin' with Poppy, be on the lookout. I'm gonna make a video. I left the link to schedule a consultation with me if you interested. If you're interested in my services on how to get in the industry, if you have any questions or things like that, holla at me, reach out to me, book a consultation, and we could chop it up. If anybody watching and I was able to help you in any kind of way, man, and you love my service, you appreciate my service, you appreciate the consultation, you appreciate what PDF or anything I have given you, please drop an anchor, man. Drop an anchor, man. Drop an anchor for me, man. Let me know. Let the people know that the services are for real, for real. Customer service is big over here, so With that said, man, over and out, man. Y'all fuck with me.